Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex, and with me as always is my co-host Jamie.
Hey everyone, great to be back. Today, Alex, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for businesses looking to modernize and scale, finding the right Odoo development partner. It's a game changer for so many companies.
Absolutely, Jamie. Odoo has really exploded in North America, becoming one of the fastest growing ERP platforms. We're talking manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers. They're all replacing those old, disconnected tools with a single modular system. The big draw? Avoiding those sky-high licensing costs you see with legacy suites like SAP or NetSuite.
Right, but here's the kicker, and the article really highlights this. Despite over 240 official Odoo partners in the U.S., most ERP projects still fail. And it's not Odoo's fault. It's because partners often treat a business like a checklist instead of truly understanding how it operates. That's a recipe for disaster.
Exactly. Configuration without strategy is just expensive rearranging, as the article puts it. The right partner isn't just about setting things up. It's about delivering measurable improvements. So for our listeners out there, how do you even begin to evaluate these partners?
Well, the article gives us some great criteria. Official partner status, their vertical expertise, meaning do they understand your specific industry, customization depth, integration capabilities, and crucially, long-term support models. You need someone who's in it for the long haul, not just a quick setup.
That makes total sense. And looking at some of the companies profiled, you can really see how diverse their specialties are. For instance, Glorium Technologies, based in Houston, sounds like a powerhouse for mid-market companies needing complex, multi-module rollouts, especially with custom workflows and long-term ERP roadmaps. They even integrate AI-powered automation, which is pretty cutting edge.
They do sound impressive, especially with their configuration-first, code-second approach to keep things upgrade safe. But then you have someone like Novobi, who really specializes in making Odoo's financial modules work seamlessly for American businesses, focusing on GAAP compliance and custom BI reporting. That's huge for CFOs.
And for businesses with specific operational needs, VentureTech stands out. They've carved a niche in warehouse management and barcode scanning. If you're running a distribution center and need real-time stock accuracy and advanced WMS, they're the go-to. It shows how specialized Odoo partners can get.
Totally. Or Hibu for the more tech-savvy companies. They're all about deep customization, API integrations, and actively contributing to the open-source Odoo community. If your needs go beyond standard configuration into actual software development, they seem like a strong choice. It's not one-size-fits-all, which is key.
Which brings us to the big question. How do you actually pick the right one? The article warns against partners who jump straight to module configuration without understanding your workflows. That's a huge red flag.
Definitely. You need someone who prioritizes process understanding first. Look for real case studies in your industry, a solid post-go-live support plan, and here's a practical test. Ask them how they handle Odoo version upgrades. Their answer will tell you if their approach is sustainable or if you'll be facing expensive rework every year.
That's brilliant advice, Jamie. It really boils down to finding a partner who aligns with your business, builds upgrade-safe customizations, integrates Odoo with your existing tools, and helps you optimize performance long after launch. Measurable outcomes are what matter most.
Couldn't agree more. So if you're out there ready to move beyond those disconnected tools and build a scalable ERP system that truly fits your operations, take these tips to heart, do your homework, and find a partner who understands your vision.
Fantastic insights, Jamie. And that's all the time we have for this episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. A big thank you to our listeners for tuning in.
Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks. Keep innovating.